We'll guide you through how to factory reset your Android phone back to default settings. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Just remember, this will mean you're losing all of your data, so make sure you've backed it up if you want it. So to do this, go and open up your settings like so. Then all you need to do is go and scroll down until you see the option General Management and go and click there. And then all you need to do is scroll down here, and at the bottom you should see the option for reset. If you're struggling to find it, you can always use the search function in the top right. Now click on reset, and all you want to do is scroll to the bottom until you see the option factory data reset. You can then click there and it'll go and take a moment, and as you can see it says all data will be erased from your phone, including all of this here. So make sure you're sure, and then all you need to do is, if you're ready, go and click on reset at the bottom. You'll need to go and enter in your current PIN, and you can then go and press continue. It says all your personal information and downloaded apps will be erased and can't be recovered. Data that has been backed up to the SD card won't be erased. So we'll go and press delete all, and it's now shutting down, and the process is going to go and begin. And all you need to do is go and wait, and your phone is going to be factory reset, and it's now ready to be set up again.